I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody, I want to do a quick little follow-up video regarding my OPUS charger since I've done the fan mod to it. This has been working fantastic. So as you may know, if you've been watching the channel, you may have seen all the recent laptop video harvests, which I'm actually, what I should say is I've been busy harvesting cells. I'm going to probably have those videos up before I post this video. But the charger itself, it's nice and quiet. The fan is actually at full speed right now. It runs the fan wide open when it's doing a discharge, because it's taking, for example, all these 4 cells at 1 amp each. So that's 4, 8, 12, 16 watts of heat. Because that's where the power goes. It goes straight into heat. And that heat has to go somewhere. You may be able to hear the fan running right now. Like I say, nice and quiet. Air coming out is nice and warm. So it's doing its job. The little fan that used to go here, and of course, it always made a lot of racket because it's just a little 20mm fan, and it couldn't do much. I mean, this is it right here. This little guy. That's all it could do. I mean, it could only push so much air, and so it didn't do much in the way of cooling this thing. So this setup here, the fan. If you didn't watch the video of either one of the videos I shot about this previously, the fan is an 80mm case fan. The equivalent of is actually out of a cheap end power supply. It's blowing downward into this vent here. If you look at the bottom, matter of fact, here we are. This is better. This is the incomplete mold that had some problems, where the printer had some problems. You can see the fan mounts on this. It blows down and it blows air out the back. So it takes in air across these cells, and this all throughout this, and in this case, it takes in air to the back here too, I'm sure. And it cools this charger really well. These chargers with the factory fan would typically overheat at times when doing a discharge. And this thing, a lot of times when I would do a discharge with it previously, I'd have to have an external fan sitting somewhere nearby to cool the thing because it just gets so hot. Whereas now, don't need that anymore. Just the built-in fan does the job on its own really well. So I would definitely suggest this fan mod. Hopefully you got a buddy or someone you know has a 3D printer. My place to work has 3D printers, and was able to get this mold printed out, and it's working fantastic. So there you have it. That is a update on this charger since doing the fan mod. Again, I've been using the crap out of it doing these recent laptop cell harvest tests. You know, these are the tests, these recent laptop cell harvests, and it's been doing well. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.